Okay, welcome back. In this video we're going to be talking about what metals to use and what metals are available and where you can get those metals at. Okay, so to start out with, I've got a piece of 1/8 inch thick flat bar, and flat bar can be purchased in several different thicknesses. 1/8 inch is a good thickness to start welding with. And if you're beginner to welding, it's probably, in my opinion, probably the best thickness of metal to start with, because it's not so thin that you'll burn straight through the metal. It's actually got a little bit of thickness there. So this is flat bar, known as flat bar. You've also got round bar. Now you can do a lot with round bar. Heat it and bend it. Make lots of neat shapes, work on different ornamental projects with a round bar. I mean, you can use it for anything you want to, but that's what this is known as. This can be bought in several different diameters. I'm not sure what diameter this is, but this is angle iron. Now, if you're building structural stuff, trailers, anything that's going to have any kind of weight put on it, angle iron is a good option to go with. And this is 1/8 inch angle iron, and this is also a good size of angle iron to it's 1 inch angle iron, and 1 inch by 1/8 inch is if you're going to buy it, that's what you're going to ask for, is 1 inch by 1/8 inch, because it's 1 inch wide by 1/8 inch thick. So that's a good option to start with. Also, you've got square tubing. So if you're going to be building anything like a welding table or anything that really needs to be solid and really sturdy, square tubing is good. Square tubing can be used for a whole crap ton of stuff, but that's a good one to start with. And you've got round tubing like this, and this can be bent in a lot of different ways and used in a lot of different ways. So that's basically an overview of the metals. You can also get square bar, and there's other different kinds of metals that you can get. That's not exactly all of them. You can get rectangular tubing instead of square tubing, but just look around and see what's available. Also, this is a sheet metal gauge. So if you're wondering how thick the metal is, like I said, this is 1/8 inch thick, so you can just put it right here and you can gauge it right there, and they'll tell you. So wherever it fits in the slot will tell you how thick your metal is. So these are really handy to have around the shop. If you're wondering what gauge metal that is, just slide it in there and it'll give you a reading. So that's going to be it for this video, and I'll see you in the next video.